Rakuten TV is a video-on-demand VOD streaming service, originating from Japan but serving numerous countries worldwide. It's part of the Rakuten Group, a global leader in internet services. Rakuten TV provides a unique blend of cinema releases and TV series, offering a vast selection of content across various genres. It's designed to deliver a cinema-like experience right in your living room. Rakuten TV stands out with several key features. It offers high-definition streaming, with 4K Ultra HD available on selected titles. It supports multiple devices like smart TVs, PCs, and mobile devices. You can rent or buy movies, and there's even an option for free content. Rakuten TV also prides itself on getting cinema releases faster than most other platforms. Lastly, it offers a reward point system, Rakuten Super Points, which can be used for future rentals or purchases. Rakuten TV operates on a pay-per-view model rather than a subscription. This means you only pay for what you watch. Prices for rentals typically range from $2.49 to $4.49, while purchases usually range from $7.99 to $13.99. New releases might be slightly more expensive. Remember, every purchase or rental earns you Rakuten Super Points, which can be redeemed later. Rakuten TV is ideal if you're looking for a pay-per-view model rather than a subscription. It's perfect if you want the latest cinema releases faster than on other platforms. If you prefer high definition and 4K content, Rakuten TV is a great choice. It's also beneficial if you use other Rakuten services, as you can earn and redeem super points across the platform. Rakuten TV offers several advantages. It gives you access to new cinema releases earlier than most platforms. The pay-per-view model ensures you only pay for what you watch. The high-definition and 4K content deliver a superior viewing experience. The Rakuten Super Points reward system is another plus, allowing you to earn points with every purchase or rental. Despite its advantages, Rakuten TV has some limitations. It doesn't have a subscription model, which some viewers might prefer for unlimited viewing. The content library is not as extensive as competitors like Netflix or Amazon Prime. Also, while Rakuten TV supports multiple devices, it's not available on all smart TVs or gaming consoles. Lastly, the cost of rentals or purchases can add up quickly if you watch frequently. Rakuten TV is a unique offering in the crowded streaming market. Its strengths lie in its early access to cinema releases, high definition and 4K content, and its rewarding point system. However, the lack of a subscription model and a smaller content library might be drawbacks for some users. Overall, it's a great choice if you value quality and the latest content over quantity. Rakuten TV offers a unique pay-per-view model with early access to cinema releases, high definition and 4K streaming, and a rewarding point system. However, it may not be the best fit for those who prefer a subscription model or a larger content library. It's ideal for viewers who prefer quality and the latest content. Thank you for watching. We hope this analysis of Rakuten TV was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses of popular streaming platforms. Until next time, happy streaming.